ourselves a citizen. Let me get this camera a little closer for the microphone. Alright. Amazing. We got ourselves a watch. Let's get this started. Citizen. So far looking good. It looks like the same box that I had in my last one. This one has been donated by a special person. There's no watch! Oh, you know what? I don't even have the light. I'll turn the light on. There we go. Now we can see. Wow, that is nice. Let's get close. That is real nice. I like the green strap, the alligator strap. That's real nice. Pop it out. Ooh, the pillow, man. Citizen's got these pillows pretty cool, man. There we go. Very, very pretty, dude. Oh, it comes with its own class. That's cool, dude. I like that. Alright. I like the date window. That's crisp. I like that. Sapphire crystal. Let's turn this. Oh, it's already on. We got ourselves a 40 millimeter, 0.4. Wow. Nice. Really nice. Eco Drive. Let's go to Lug Lug. 47.1. And for your band fans, 19.6. So that's a 20. There we go. Let's take a look. Oh, can't do it that way. Yeah, it's 20. Heck yeah, the thickness. That's not that thick at all, dude, for an Eco Drive. I thought they were for surely. We got 10.6, man. This is nice. Model number is AW009011Z. Sapphire crystal. Oh, amazing. I'm not going to take it off. This is my father-in-law's watch. 20 millimeter Citizen. Crown is pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. I like that date window, man. And the date. That's very pretty, dude. Very pretty. Signed buckle. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it on, but I'll probably do some glamour shots. This watch is pretty dang good. This is nice. Yeah, this is real nice. Fingerprints on it already. It's nice. The color complements it, you know, the green. Let's see if there's any more. Of course, the deployment class with push buttons. 40 millimeter, 11 millimeters. It says it's 11 millimeters thickness, but I mean, I counted it as what? 10.6. They rounded up. Ivory color. Stainless steel, of course. Date, Eco Drive, 100 meters. 100 meters of water resistance. So you can go swimming with it if you could. That's really nice. That's really nice. Well, that's that, guys. Thank you very much.